To load and test your app live on an Android device in Thunkable, you use the Thunkable Live app, which allows real-time previewing of your project while you are building it. This is the fastest way to test changes without needing to fully build or publish your app. Start by opening your Thunkable project in the web editor on your computer. Make sure your project is saved and has no major build errors. Then go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and download the Thunkable Live app. This app is required to connect your mobile device to your Thunkable project in real time. Once installed, open the Thunkable Live app on your Android device. You will be prompted to sign in. Use the same Thunkable account that you are using on your computer. This is important because the live connection only works when both devices are logged into the same account. After logging in, return to your Thunkable project on your computer. In the top right area of the editor, click the Live Test or Live App button. This will generate a connection session for your project. A QR code or connection screen will appear. On your Android device, use the Thunkable Live app to scan the QR code or select the project directly from the list of available projects. Once connected, your app will immediately load on your phone. From this point, any changes you make in the Thunkable editor will automatically update on your Android device in real time. This allows you to test layouts, logic, navigation, and interactions instantly without rebuilding the app. If your app does not load, make sure both devices are connected to the internet and that you are logged into the same account on both the web editor and the mobile live app. Also ensure that your firewall or network is not blocking the connection. The Thunkable Live app is especially useful for testing user interface design, button interactions, and screen navigation because it reflects changes immediately as you build. However, some advanced features like push notifications or certain native device functions may behave differently in live mode compared to a fully built APK. In those cases, it is recommended to test using a final build. And that's how you load an app live on an Android device in Thunkable. Install the Thunkable Live app, sign in with the same account, connect your project using the Live Test option, and instantly preview your app on your phone while building.